Good afternoon, K-Quad here. As you see, I got the WLTOYS 202 aircraft carrier. This is the Amphibian. This will do land, sea, air. So we're going to give this a flight test here. It's a pretty nifty aircraft. It's like a foam rubber material, green light, red light. And what's cool about this, on the receiver here, you press this button, the motors tilt. See that? Tilt it back, tilt it up, I guess, when you go on the water. So let's give this a test flight. Okay, we'll give this we'll tilt the motor up. This is my first test flight of this. Let's tilt the motor up. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Hi. This is pretty cool. Okay, let's got to get used to this. Let's see. We'll tilt the motors up. We'll give it some fuel. Go along the ice. Push the button up, and up we go. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's got 3 rates. I'm on 40 rate right now. I'm going to go to 100, which I think this thing is would be really zooming. Oh yeah, see it? Very sensitive. Whoa. Yeah, we'll leave it on 40 for now. Yeah, and if it's kind of windy, it's not too good in the wind, as I just got a gust of wind. So let me Pop the motor up. Oh, we had another landing. Let me pause this for a second, and let's go see where this went. I don't believe the battery. I just charged that up. Let's see where it went. Let's see if I can bring it up. Okay, we got a safe landing on that. This is a pretty cool machine. Let's bring it over to me. Okay. So, here we got the WLTOYS Q202. The aircraft carrier. So for now, I will do another flight test on this. Signing off, K-Quad.